That was the first kill that we ever filmed for Fowled Reality over 5 years ago. Now, we've been to some awesome places, had some incredible hunts, and met a lot of awesome people along the way. None of that would be made possible without you guys clicking on our videos to watch them, to share them, and to like them. And for that, we thank you. This is the 50th episode of Fowled Reality, and what an experience it has been.
You know, we drove 1,000 miles up here on, I guess yesterday, on Thursday. I checked and we've already put another 1,000 on scout.
He's never seen this number of ducks ever in this area. And hopefully this is going to be an awesome weekend.
Now we'll go to an opportunistic spot and that'll probably be swarming with people, so we're not going to stop until we get decoys in the water somewhere.
Go! No wind! No wind!
Doing it right, they haven't read the script hardly at all yet. It's a new day today, boys.
Kill the dregs, boys.
Kill him.
Every hunt is a memorable one. It doesn't necessarily have anything to do with straps full of ducks or no ducks at all. It's what goes into the hunt and how it all plays out. The ones you least expect in a setting that you've never been before are always memorable.
Brian Wheeler, Superman. I don't know what's going to happen here. I've never hunted tight quarters like this. We're on a little bitty river. It's cold. I mean, cold, cold. It runs right through your bones. 21 now, 30, 40 mile an hour north winds. Hunting I've never done like that. I hunt plenty of river, but not a small river like that. I mean, it might be 30 foot wide if you're lucky.
Hunting out of blind with heaters, with a stove, killing ducks. That's a good time in my book.
It may not be in the hottest flyway, but you know, when they do come by, they decoy well here.
When you wake up and the truck says 1 degree, you know that stuff's locking up. I mean, if it's got no current, you're locked up pretty quick.
Playing that chess match with ducks and geese is a lot of reason why guys are drawn to waterfowl hunting. Figuring out what the birds are doing and then capitalizing on it gives you a huge sense of accomplishment when everything comes together.
Kill them. Once we got in there, they did almost exactly what we thought they were going to do.
That pond was being used as a transition area. They were coming to it before they went to feed, and they were coming to it after they got done feeding and spending the midday there.
And the only way for us to know when we can use the pond is for us to sit here for 2.5 hours to know when they're going there, how they're using it, when they're leaving it, and where they're going from there.
Scouting plays a huge role in virtually every hunt that we go on, and this one is no different. We're in eastern Alberta. We had spent 2 days watching ducks and snow geese pour into this barley field.
It was great knowing exactly what the birds were going to be doing, when they were going to be doing it. It was a storybook finish to the 2 days of hard miles and scouting we put into this hunt.
You just want to kill this spray? Kill it.
They felt confident in where they were going. We were hidden well. It had a nice little breeze that morning, and it just all came together.
For a lot of guys, the work that goes into a hunt is one of the most enjoyable aspects of it. Having to break ice and pack in all your gear for over a mile is a story that I guarantee you will tell your children and your grandchildren for years to come.
They had one of the coldest nights that they've had so far this year in Kansas that night, and it froze all of the sheet water in this area. So our plan was to go in, break a hole in the ice. We were going to have the only open water in the area.
Come on, bud. Here.
It was a lot of work to get in there, breaking the ice, getting all the gear back to this corner. But in the end, it really worked out. You know, we had the only open water in the area. Everything froze, and the sun was in our favor. The wind was in our favor.
all of these reasons, a hunt can be special. But for any of you out there that have ever taken a kid hunting, you know that these are the most memorable. We kicked off our season with the guys and kids from CNL Outdoors during the Missouri youth season. The smiles and the laughs from not only the kids but the adults says it all.
You know, everybody tries to figure out how to get it. With the right environmental conditions.
Gator.
Dude, you got the sniper over there between the trees, just hunkered down.
Get up. Oh, get up. I tripped over a log and couldn't get back up.
And where'd you go?
Underwater.
It's a rite of passage. Have you ever fallen in, Uncle Eric?
Twice.
Uncle Ricky?
I think
I don't fall in.
I think one of those 2 times I
just dropped stuff.
Somebody pushed me.
Say hi to Blake. Say hi. Come on, Abe.
Ricky, don't forget to
Tell Blake what we're doing right now.
I think I'm right behind him.
What are we doing? Are we duck hunting?
At least keep his gun
Are we goose hunting?
No.
Deer hunting? What are we doing then?
And to cap off the year, I took my little guy Ben over to Sean Herrick's place, Willow Creek Waterfowl, for an afternoon of snow goose hunting. There has never been and probably never will be a more memorable hunt for me than that afternoon when Ben was in the pit with us.
This next pass, you guys go up, jump on the corner.
Get ready, Ben.
Get ready.
Get ready. Shoot him, Ben. Shoot him.
Good shot down there.
Good job. Good job. You got him. You gonna be shy? A snow goose?
Yeah.
Give me nuts. Have you shot any? How many? One.
I'm proud of you on the flag there.
Yeah.
Sock box.
But maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Or 3. Or 100.
I've never seen 4 Rosses together.
A huge thank you goes out to all of our sponsors through the years. Be sure to like them on Facebook, visit their websites. If you have any questions about their product, don't hesitate to send us an email or send us a message on Facebook. We'll be happy to answer them. And again, thank you guys for watching our videos, for liking them, and for sharing them. None of what we have done the past 5 years would be possible without any of you. And thank you for making Fowled Reality Season 5 our best ever.